Hey guys, my name is Hayden Cassidy and I'm an Andis Global Educator. Today I'm going to take you through a textured quiff and a skin fade. The skin fade in this haircut is going to be a little bit more spaced out and a little bit more subtle. So it's going to be a really nice contrast between the model I have today, his coloured hair, and the texture that we're going to create on top. The tools I'll be using today in this video is my master cordless clipper, my copper profile lithium titanium foil shaver, my cordless MV lithium Andis Nation Fade Edition adjustable blade clipper, which internationally is known as a US Pro cordless adjustable blade clipper. I'll also be using my cordless slimline lithium trimmer and also my cordless T outliner. Start by texturizing the top of the hair with your cordless Slimline Pro Andis Nation Edition trimmer. Using your cordless master clipper, place your 3 attachment comb on the clipper and start to create your weight line to the partial ridge. Next, place your number 2 attachment comb on and remove the length just under the number 3 attachment comb. Notice how I'm scooping the clipper to allow the lengths to blend together. Next, place your 1.5 attachment comb on the clipper with the lever open. Use this to blend below the last 2 attachment comb lengths. Everything we're working with in these lengths are created visually to keep the blend soft. Next, use your cordless T outliner trimmer to create your zero guideline. This guideline will be lower on the head as we're creating a softer blend. Use your copper profile lithium titanium foil shave to take the hair below that down to nothing. Next, use your US Pro cordless Andis Nation Edition adjustable blade clipper to create your next step. Open the lever and create your next guideline about 2 fingers above the zero guideline. The space in between each step will be wider to create a soft blend. To remove the line we've created, close the lever on your clipper and use the corner to blend. Open and close the lever whenever is needed. Next, place your 1 attachment comb on your clipper and open the lever. This will help blend the zero into the length we created on the top half of the fade. Next, use your zero attachment comb to finish the blend and to remove the line. Start with the lever open and then close whenever is needed. You'll notice you will need to use the corner of the clipper around certain areas of the hair because of the density of the hair and the shape of the head. To refine the blend, drop down to no guard and use the corner of the clipper to remove any weight and any length around the blend. To blend the top of the beard, use your clipper open and close until the transition becomes smoother. To finish the connection, use clipper over comb with the cordless master. You want to retain some weight around the connection point. Use your cordless Slimline Pro lithium trimmer to finish the edges of the haircut, keeping things natural but slightly exaggerated to outline the fade. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Hayden Cassidy, and if you want to purchase any of these tools, please go to www.andis.com. Have a good